Good afternoon. Here is your financial market news for November 2018. As concerns the dollar index, the upward trend stopped at the resistance level of 96.60 for the second time, the point shaping the medium-term downward correction. The downward trend for gold has turned upwards after a long series of support tests at the level of 1203.1183. At the same time, the price came out of the downward channel. The Brent uptrend stopped at 86.60 resistance level and then decreased sharply, breaking through the historical support levels of 80.55, 79.55, and reaching the limits of the ascending channel. The American stock market started with a significant decrease, with the Dow Jones Index 20 at 25,387.18, which is 602.9 minus 2.32%. The S&P 500 index stands at 2,726.22, which is minus 54.79 or minus 1.97%. Futures of S&P 500 shows a weak positive trend, trading around 2,742.75 points. European stock indexes also completed the trading session in the red zone. Asian stock exchanges were falling at the beginning of the day. The Japanese Nikkei 225 index stood at 21,738.53, which is minus 531.35 or minus 2.39%. The EU summit scheduled for November, which is expected to reach a final agreement on Brexit, is in jeopardy. The final agreement is currently being negotiated. Brent futures at the opening of the trading day traded around $69.38 per barrel. The weekly report of the American Petroleum Institute will come out in a few days. Should the stocks continue to grow, we expect further decline in energy prices. The closest levels of support for the instrument, in our opinion, will be around $68.33 and $67.11 per barrel. Gold futures during the trading session came close to the level of support around $1,200 per troy ounce. The US dollar will continue growing against the basket of world currencies, and this will, in our opinion, weaken the pressure on prices for the instrument. For the Russian stock market, the rising oil price factor seems to no longer support the quotes of Russian companies. We expect them to decline as trading resumes. The closest support levels for the index, in our opinion, stand at 2,381 and 2,366 points, and the RTS index stands at around 1106 and 1090 points. Investors are looking forward to the meeting of the board of directors of Tatneft, as well as to Unipro and OK financial results for the third quarter of 2018. That's all for the day. Wishing you lots of great deals. Abraham Berg, Senior WTC Broker and Risk Analyst.